Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a warning today. Microsoft has issued a situation where a lot of websites are popping up right now to try to lure you into downloading Microsoft apps from anywhere other than Microsoft's own platform. And they often have names on their URL that are close to what you're downloading, like power-toys .app, for example, is an example. And these are not official places, and there are several dozen websites that are actually trying to get you into downloading things from somewhere else. And what's interesting is that these websites right now are actually giving you the correct links. So you click on them, and they open the Microsoft Store, or send you to the correct apps.microsoft.com website for a download. So at first, it's like, okay, well, they're all doing that, but sending people to the correct place. And what would be the idea behind this? Well, this is where it gets probably interesting, is that they're trying to actually get trusted status. So that means that you'll go there, and then you realize that you download the correct app every time you go there. So you might, put that in one of your favorites, because that's where you go and get Power Toys or any other app that you want. And at some point, they'll switch to malware or apps that have malware. And so you'll be caught with viruses. Remember, when you're downloading anything off the internet that you need, okay, you need to know where to get it. Not click on any place that you see this. Oh, here's the download. That's one of the best ways to get malware on your computer. So always remember that there are places for software. There are places where there's the correct download of software, and that it's important to keep those places where it is fine to download it. Unfortunately, too many people download from untrusted sources. So it's very important to be careful. Apparently, there are really dozens and dozens and dozens of websites popping up right now. They look kind of legitimate. And right now, they give you the correct download. But at some point, they'll switch and give you malware. So remember, Power Toys are available through the Microsoft Store app in your Windows, operating system. And there's a lot of other, things that are available directly from the Microsoft.com website. So just be careful where you get your apps. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.